rec room plugs. I'm gonna guess those are those plugs. So, you know, this is back on because I turned it back on. The rec room, this area here is probably called the rec room. And so we look at these, let's see, that was off before. This one should still be on. Yeah, see that one's on because that one was attached over to this area here. This one should be off now, is my guess, because this is the rec room. I'm gonna check it, see, it's off. And the TV is on that rec room. Just gonna look at it. This is just to give you a quick idea on how to do this. See, this is off now. So I know these are probably off. This is still the rec room. Let's just see for kicks. Let's go all the way over to here. This should still be off. See there? It's off. And this is still part of the rec room. And this should be off still. Yeah, see, they had a lot of electrical outlets on that circuit, but that's because they're all in this one room. And I think you can have 10 or 11 electrical outlets, maybe a few more than that on one circuit. And see, look at this. That's off, isn't it? That's off. The ring is turned off now because this is considered the rec room. So the reason why I'm checking all this, I don't want to hook up, I don't want to come out of power on one of these rec room electrical outlets and connect up to the 3 different chairs in this furniture, do I? That wouldn't really make sense because I never know what I'm going to plug into here. Maybe I'll have other things plugged into here later on. Here, there's 2 things plugged into here. There's all that stuff plugged into on the TV. There's that light fixture plugged in there. I might, some other time, might have other things plugged in here. So I don't want to overload this particular circuit. Chances are, if that was the only circuit I had and I had no other choice, I could do it and justify, yeah, well, okay, we'll just do one of these at a time. Don't have 3 people. I'll do it at the same time when the TV's on, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so now I know what to do here, don't I? Okay, let's go back. Let's go back here and turn this back off, or turn it back on before I forget. Okay, take that, turn it back on. I know that's the 4th one down on this left-hand side, exercise plugs. I got to remember that. I'm not ready to do this just yet. I thought I would make another quick video, exercise plugs. We're going to go out here. We're going to look at this very quickly. And remember, see, I'm sure, yeah, there's an electrical outlet back there too. That's fine. That one, and this one are all on that circuit. Which one should I come out of to hook this up? They're all, actually, that one's on an exterior wall, this one's on the exterior wall, and so is that one. That's on an interior wall. And I believe I can easily get up to the exterior wall and still drill a hole down there and fish it out underneath the floor. It might be slightly easier on an interior wall because all you have to do is drill it straight down. But see here, we can still drill straight down and kind of cheat it towards the inside of the wall as I'm drilling it with my flexi bit, if I can get it in there, because there's a belly band on the outside of this wall area to hold up the floor joist, and all the floor joists go in here, boom, 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 boom. So hopefully there's not a floor joist in the way. And see where this is, the floor joist probably comes along there, boom, 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 boom. And I think I can still fish it down there and get it underneath the house right in through here. So that's the one I'm going to try. That one happens to be the closest one here. And then I'm going to have to decide after that which which area do I want to put the plug? Do I want to put the plug here, or do I want to put the plug over here? Because this has a long cord on it, and these two have long cords on it. So I'll have to look under here, and first see here. This is the transformer thing. Look how long this cord is. Okay, there's one there, and I believe the other one we had electrified. We ordered this. You can pick and choose whatever you want. So see here, here's the one for this unit, and the cord is just as long. Okay, and I don't think we had this lounger electrified. And I don't think we did. I don't want to pull that all apart. I can look at that later, but I don't think there's anything in that one. And the other one, I believe, is this one over here. And let's just see. Remember I looked under here earlier. Oh, okay. Here's the plug. The cord. No, that's not the cord. I don't know what that little thing's for. Hey, what happened to the box? We have to. Oh, here it is over here. Here it is. What it's doing over here. And see, here's the cord, and it got unplugged from this other little deal here. I'll have to. Oh, okay, there. Okay. See, that's what Mommy used to do. She used to take this, and it was just long enough to plug in here, and then it would work. Okay, so let's think about this here for a second. See how long that cord is? We can fish it underneath all this. Do I really want to put the electrical outlet there, or do I want to put the electrical outlet over here underneath the floor, if I can reach them? See how long these are? I'm trying to get it to where I can put a power strip underneath that and plug two different things, or three different things into the power strip, because then the power strip would have a little trip button on it and all that. Okay, if I put the power strip over here, I can only plug this one into it. Then I would have to take an extension cord from there, one of those little white extension cords, bring it over, and then plug this and that into the extension cord, right? Because these are not long enough. These are not long enough to go all the way over. Okay. So it could go over to there. I could put the electrical outlet right there, and then that's long enough to plug into the power strip. This is long enough to plug into the power strip, and then I have to take an extension cord, plug it into that, and then run it all the way over, hoping that the extension cord's long enough. You know, one of those little cheapo white extension cords I would do. I mean, you could take two power strips and hook one power strip up to here, and then plug in something else and plug it into the other power strip. You could do something like that. If I take the white extension cord on it, when I plug it in there, I might have to wrap it up with electrical tape or something like that. And then see, take a white extension cord from here, and it would be long enough to put the electrical outlet on the floor about in there. See, I don't want to put it in way over there, because then I would have to, neither one of these are long enough. So if I put a power strip there, then I would have to take a white cord out of that and then come over there to plug in a white cord and this cord into a power strip. And I think I want to have two power strips, or one power strip plugged in two of these, and then one white cord going out. I mean, you can pick and choose. You can talk to the electrician, you know, in the electrical sales department ask, hey, what's the benefit of putting two power strips? I could put one power strip and connect these two to one power strip, and then come over and connect this into another power strip that's hooked into this power strip, let's say. You know what I mean? And then all three of these are connected into the floor with two power strips interjoined, interconnected. You know, maybe that's something to do. I mean, if you put a white little cheesy extension cord on here, you know the kind I'm talking about. You take that, I don't think you're going to have any problem. That's how I did the one upstairs, and that sectional upstairs. I did that because I only have one power strip up there. Okay, and it seems to work fine. So now it's up to me to decide where to put the electrical outlet. Underneath here, and I know that it's going to go over to here. Obviously the shortest distance is going to be from there to over here. No sense going too far over to here. I could put it right there though. Those two could be plugged into it. I don't really want to go any further than this, I don't think. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.